Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Did you know your dishwasher has a filter? Let's check it out. So the complaint on this one from my wife is that the filter, or that the dishwasher is not cleaning correctly. Take a look at that nonsense. So gross, so gross. And all that white stuff and everything around it. We'll take a look and see exactly what that is. That could be old soap, but taking a closer look, I don't know. I think that that's some other gunk. So anyway, we'll clean that up. We'll clean this up. Run some water through this backwards. Sorry, the sink is dirty. But if you just kind of run some water through this backwards, work it out a little bit, all that stuff will come off. Let's dive in a little deeper. We'll take this next little piece out right here as well. That looks like it might be pieces of paper towel. So in our household, we have 3 kids that help out with the dishes. They need to be reminded not to put paper towels and other things like that. They need to be really careful that those things don't make it into the dishwasher. Okay, we're all cleaned up. Let's put this little piece back in here. And that kind of works like as a big filter system there. Oops, and I see a little bit more paper back here. I think this is just a paper towel. Here's our filter all cleaned up. We'll put it back in. It just goes in and then it just does a little twist to the right on this model right here. And let's try it out. So we'll run this load again, maybe try to clean up a little bit more of this in here. See a little bit of this kind of scum or whatever building up here. And this dishwasher should work well. Hey friends, thanks for checking out the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Hey, by the way, did you know you can now donate a couple dollars to your favorite YouTubers? So if this video helped you out a whole ton, after you hit the thumbs up, look to the right a little bit and you'll see a little heart, a little dollar sign, and you can donate a couple bucks to the cause. Thanks so much, friends. We'll see you next time.